What is up, Internet? Welcome back to Milehighkei. We're back in the garage, and let me get you up to speed. So, finished this side of the van, painting it black. I think it looks pretty good. There was a little bit of a run right here, but you can only see it in a special. This one is still curing, so hopefully the orange peel will get to be a little more like this than like this. There is like a little difference right here because I didn't tape off the whole window. Anyways, only taped off what I needed to in order to repaint this, and I'm getting a big decal to go over the side anyways, so any of these like runs right here will hopefully not be too noticeable because of the decal. The inside of the door is now painted as well as the jamb. So on the driver's side, the entire inside of the doors are all black. The only remaining spots that are still white on the inside are the B pillar and the A pillar, and then also the inside of the passenger door and the A and B pillar over there. What I'm working on today is getting the wiring for the power windows all wired back up. I need to solder these back together because they were cut in order to get them out of the door. And while I have the door taken apart, this is the old speaker that was in there. I'm gonna replace them with these Kenwoods. I've had these laying around for a while, but just never gotten around to installing them. So let's get to it. All right, quick little update. Got the part of the wiring harness that went from this side of the power windows in through the jamb, goes up over here and plugs in right there. I just have the ground cord going to another ground that I had right there. These two wires are what I had going to the old speaker right here, and the wiring harness for the power windows has some built in, so I connected them on the back side of the new speaker and just need to attach some of these little connectors so I can plug it in right here. But other than that, I'm just really anxious to kind of plop the door card on and actually see if it works. All right, let's get a bit of a more wide angle here to see if it actually works. So, accessories on. Up. Look at that. Power windows. That is so cool. One more time. It's actually pretty smooth and I would say fairly fast. There you have it. And then I think when you turn this up, so this must be for the other side, which I don't have hooked up yet. And I don't have the front plate on here, so yeah. Man, I'm so stoked. Could do this all day. All right, internet, that's about it for today. That's about all that my attention span can handle, but pretty stoked. Got the door card back on. The paint is all done for the door jambs. The new power window box is on. It's wired in there. Still need to do the passenger side door, but we'll get to that. I didn't get around to connecting the speaker, but that's okay. But yeah, super stoked about this. So see you again next time. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep it small.